Today we're going to sharpen this nice little Ibbotson chisel using the sharpening box. I've already made the block parallel with the top surface here using the two hand wheels down below. So I'll sharpen this at 30 degrees. So we'll set this at 30 and tighten the knob. The first thing we'll do is we'll set the cam to the tool width. So push the cam over against it, tighten it, and now we're free to put the tool back and forth against the block. The next step would be to set it a certain distance above the box. Our number one setting here is 15 thousandths. So if we butt the chisel up to that and turn our cam, we're now 15 thousandths above the surface of the box. We'll start with the diamond stone, but I'll show you. You can see we butt into the chisel. So when we're up on the chisel, we're only touching at the tip of the chisel and the rear of the stone. So we'll start forming the primary bevel. This straightens the edge from grinding. And it doesn't take much. So there we straighten the edge and put a secondary bevel of 30 degrees. Our primary bevel, which we ground, was 25 degrees. So now, next we'll take a soft Arkansas and put a couple drops of oil on it. So we've got the end of the stone oiled. I don't take really long strokes with this. You can get right up to the edge. I just gently go like I do, back and forth in circular. And so we're polishing that up with the soft Arkansas. I always like to feel for the burr. We've got a nice one there. So it doesn't take much to take the burr off. Now we'll reset it, but this time let's use the number 2 setting, which is 20 thousandths higher. So we'll butt it up to that. And now we're 20 thousandths above the surface of the box. So let's switch to a black hard Arkansas. We can use another spot of oil. What that does when we move it up is we increase the angle slightly. I like to do that to make sure we reach the edge every time. It's kind of a micro bevel. So I'll just polish that with the black hard. Got a nice little burr there again. And you could keep going if you wanted, and you could strop that. One of my blocks is a 3 micron. But for my purposes, that's going to be sharp enough. My goal is woodworking. It's not tool sharpening just for the sake of tool sharpening. So for my purposes, that's plenty good for what I do.